Hey everybody, Draco the Juggler here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Diabolo. Today we're going to learn how to get the Diabolo spinning on the string, and also how to keep it balanced so it doesn't tilt off or get tangled. This is the first thing you want to learn how to do when you Diabolo, because once you learn how to do this, it's going to open up the possibilities for doing all sorts of different tricks, and Diabolo has so many tricks that are possible, but you first got to start with how to get it spinning. To learn how to spin the Diabolo, we're going to use the hand sticks like so, one stick in each hand. We're going to put the sticks close together with the ends of the sticks lined up, and kind of like playing the drums, you're going to do a drumming motion with your dominant hand. Since I'm a righty, I write with my right hand. I'm going to be using my right hand to do that drumming motion, that tapping motion like you see here, and this will get the Diabolo to spin. We're going to take the Diabolo, we're going to put it on top of the string without any twists, wraps, knots, or tangles. And you want to have the Diabolo facing like this with your body. Not like this, but like this so you can see the inside. Whatever way you're facing, the Diabolo should be facing towards you. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put the Diabolo on the floor, right in front of our feet, line up our hand sticks close together, and when we're ready to go, we're going to pick up the Diabolo and pull with only one hand to get it to spin. As I pull on this one side only, the string slides underneath the Diabolo, which causes friction, causing the Diabolo to spin faster and faster. If you think about it, it's kind of the same concept of a bike chain and bike gears. The string is kind of like your chain, the Diabolo is kind of like the gear. As long as you make the chain move around the gear, you're going to get the wheel to spin, or in this case, the Diabolo. So that's why it's important to pull on only one side. Notice how I keep my hands close together, so I keep the string lined up and the Diabolo stays balanced on the string. But as soon as I don't have my hands together, my string's not lined up, you're going to notice the Diabolo will start to tilt, and eventually it'll start getting tangled or it may fall off. You don't want that to happen. If that does happen, just take the time to untwist it and try again. Now there's actually a secret to keeping the Diabolo balanced by putting the string forward or backwards like so. If the Diabolo is tilted backwards, you can put the string forward to tilt it forwards, or you can put the string backwards to tilt it backwards. So if you actually look at it from the side, it's a little easier to see. You want to keep our hands close together lined up like I mentioned, because any misalignment will cause the Diabolo to tilt. Forward tilts it forwards, backwards tilts it backwards. You want to counteract the balance, so if it's tilting too much forward, you want to tilt it backwards just enough to make it nice and even, so the Diabolo stays balanced on the string. Alright, so that's how you get the Diabolo spinning and balanced on the string. It's not too hard to do. And now that you know how to do that, there are so many tricks that are possible that you can learn. If you want to learn new tricks, I have a bunch of different tutorials on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the links below. I pasted some links, some tricks that I recommend you to learn next, and good luck everybody.